the similarity criterion. The first one is AAA similarity criterion, or that one also you can say it as what? AA similarity criterion. The next one is not SCAS similarity criterion. Okay. Here no need of giving the proof for this. Okay. So I'll give the statement only. You write this statement. If one angle of a triangle is equal to one angle of another triangle and sides including these angles are proportional, then two triangles are similar. So means if I taken these two angles are equal, that is ABC, DEF. So if angle A equals to angle D, then these two sides must be in same proportional, means AB divided by DE is equal to AC divided by DF. Sides including these angles means these adjacent sides must be in the same ratio. Then these two triangles are similar. Okay. So SAS is also for what? Congruency. For congruency, AA is not there. Okay. AA is not there for congruency. So AA is there for similarity. Okay. For congruency, ASA is also there. ASA. Am I right? So instead of saying ASA, here you can say it as what? AA similarity criterion. Okay. So you directly write this. No need of take this. You write the statement. You must know the statement here. Next one, SSS similarity criterion. Okay. Again, you write the statement for this. Okay. Don't worry about the proof. If in two triangles, sides of one triangle are proportional to the sides of other triangle, then their corresponding angles are equal and hence two triangles are similar. Okay. So if suppose I have taken two triangles ABC and DF. Okay. So corresponding sides are in same ratio, means AB divided by DE is equal to AC divided by DF is equal to BC divided by EF. Okay. So they are in the same ratio, then automatically you can say that these two triangles are also similar. Okay. So this is what SSS similarity criterion. You must know the statement also. Okay. For what? SAS and SSS similarity criterion. Let us start the exercise 6.3. See the first one. State which pairs of triangles in figure 6.34 are similar. Write the similarity criterion used by you for answering the question, and also write the pair of similar triangles in symbolic form. So we have to identify which pair of triangles are similar. We have to write the similarity in symbolic form, and then we have to give the reason which criteria we used to say them as similar triangles. We have to write the reason also. Here you can see the first diagram. In this two triangles ABC and PQR, see angle A is 60 degree, angle P is 60 degree, angle B 80, angle Q is also 80, angle C 40, angle R is also 40. So means by using AAA similarity criterion, these two triangles are similar. So triangle ABC similar to triangle. For the angle A, I must write P. For the angle A, P. For the angle B, Q, 80, 80, Q. Then for the angle C, 40, 40, R. Okay. So this is symbolic form. Then we have to write which criterion we used. We have to write that criterion. So which is that? AAA similarity criterion. Right here. Okay. So triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. AAA similarity criterion. Okay, you have to give the reason also. Then I'll go for second diagram. Now here they given the sides. So if you take these two, AB divided by QR, you will get 1 divided by 2. 2 divided by 4, that is 1 by 2 you will get. Similarly, BC divided by PR you take 2.5 divided by 5, again 1 by 2 you will get. Then AC divided by QP 3 divided by 6, again 1 by 2 you will get. So these two triangles are similar. Triangle, which are those? ABC. For ABC, which are triangles? Now first I'll write the corresponding sides. For AB divided by, another one is what? QR. AB divided by QR. The next, BC divided by what? BC divided by PR. BC divided by PR. The next, then AC divided by PQ. AC divided by PQ. Okay. Now here is also B, here is also B. For these two, common term is what? R. Means for the point, for vertex B I must write R. For the vertex B I must write what? R. Similarly here also C, here also C. For C, a common term is what? P. So for C I must write what? P. So for A, remaining is what? R is over, P is over. Remaining is what? Q. Triangle Q. For B, what I can write? For B, R. Then for C, what I can write? For C, it is P. Okay. So we have to give the reason. So which criterion you used here? That is what? Yes. Similarity criterion. Three sides are in the same ratio. So therefore, these two triangles are similar. First one is also similar. Second one is also similar. Okay. So you give the answer this. And SSS similarity criterion. No need of writing this. Okay. Then third one you can see. 2 divided by 4 again 1 by 2 will get. 3 by 6 again 1 by 2 will get. But 2.7 divided by 5 you are not getting 1 by 2. Therefore corresponding sides are not proportional. And also corresponding angles they have not given. Not mentioned about angles. So therefore you can write these two triangles are not similar because corresponding sides are not proportional. Okay, you give the reason. Write it now. What? These two triangles are not similar. These two triangles are not similar because corresponding sides are not in proportional. Corresponding sides are not in proportional. Okay. This is our third one. Then I'll go for fourth one. Now 2.5 divided by 5. So means 1 by 2 will get. Here 70, here also 70. 5 divided by 10. So again you will get 1 by 2. 2.5 divided by 5, 1 by 2. 5 divided by 10, 1 by 2. Here is also 70, here is also 70. So by using SAS, okay, SAS. By using SAS similarity criterion, what I can write? So these two triangles are similar. So by using SAS, first I'll write again the ratio. SAS. Mn divided by, for Mn it is PL. Mn divided by PL is equal to, another one is what? ML divided by QR. In these two common term is M, common letter it is. So in this common not there, right? Mn divided by PQ, not L. PQ it is. Okay, this is Q. PQ. In these two common letter is what? Q. So means for M I must take Q. So for M I must take Q. Okay, because 70 is there, I must take it as Q only. Triangle MNL. Similar to triangle. For M I must take what? Q. Then M I must take what? Q. Then N. So for N I have to take P. For N I can take P. Then L. For L I must take R. Okay. So if you are not getting how to write, first you write the ratio. Which ratios are in the same ratio, means the sides. Then by observing this ratio, you can write it. Because, again you have to give the reason. Which reason it is? SAS. SAS similarity criterion. Okay, you must write here. So triangle MNL is similar to triangle QPR. In bracket you write SAS similarity criterion. Okay. Then next fifth one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Fifth one. Whether these two are similar or not, I have to check. 2.5 divided by 2 or 2.5 divided by 5, that is 1 by 2. 3 divided by, they have not given other two sides. We don't know whether a 6 or 7 or it may be 7 or 8. We don't know it. So means corresponding sides are not, they are not in a proportion I can give. Okay. These two triangles, again same, whatever you've written here, same statement you can write here. These two triangles are not, similar. These two triangles are not similar because corresponding sides are not in a proportion. Corresponding sides are not in proportion. Then the last one is there. Let us see it. Then the last one, that is sixth one. Before that, there is small correction. So here they given the side PQ as 6. I have taken it as 5. Okay. So since it is 6, now here for 70, 2.5 divided by 5 divided by 10 will get what? 1 by 2. 5 divided by 10, 1 by 2 will get. But 2.5 divided by 6 you are not getting 1 by 2. So therefore it is not SAS. Okay. So corresponding sides are not proportional. The same reason I can give. Whatever the reason you are given. So for this and this. So these three are same. So these two triangles are not similar because the corresponding sides are not in proportion. Corresponding sides are not in proportion. Because here they given 6. If 5 is there by SAS similarity criterion, these two triangles are similar. If it is 5 is not given there. They given it is 6. Therefore, these two triangles are not similar. Okay. Next, the last one here. So again, for angle D 70 given, angle P is of 70. Angle E is 80, angle Q is 80. Then by angle sum property you will get this as also 30 because 80 plus 70, that is 150 plus 30 must be there. This will be 30. By using AAA similarity criterion, these two triangles are similar. Otherwise, instead of saying AAA, you can say directly AA. So triangle DEF similar to triangle for angle D, P, angle E 80 degree Q. So angle F R. Okay. Because AA similarity criterion, you must write here. AA similarity criterion. Okay. If you can write AAA also, both are same, no problem at all. AA similarity criterion. Okay. This completes the first main, but you take this correction. Okay. So these two triangles are not similar triangles because the corresponding sides are not in proportion. Second question. In the following figure, triangle ODC similar to triangle OBA. Okay. So if two triangles are similar, you must remember the corresponding angles must be equal and corresponding sides are in the same ratio. Then angle BOC is given. BOC 125, CDO 70 degree, CDO 70 degree. We have to find DOC. This angle we have to find. Okay. Then another angle is what? DCO. This angle we have to find. And third angle OAB. So OAB. These three angles I have to find. Okay. So to find this angle, BD is a straight line. By linear pair I can say BOC plus angle COD is equal to 180 degree, because it is linear pair it is. So BD, since BD is a straight line, since BD is a straight line, BD is a straight line, therefore what I can write? Angle BOC plus angle COD is equals to what? 180 degree. So this is how much? 125 plus COD we have to find, it is 180 degree. Now angle COD is equal to 180 minus 120, that is 55 degree. So this angle I got how much it is? 50 degree. Then, so I have to find this angle. So triangle OCD, in triangle OCD, sum of interior angles of triangle is 180 degree. So it means angle COD plus angle CDO plus angle DCO. Angle DCO is equals to how much? 180 degree. Now COD, how much it is? 55 degree plus CDO, that is 70 degree given, plus we have to find DCO 180. So therefore DCO is equals to 180, 70 plus 55, that is 125. Am I right? 125, 180 minus 125, that is again 55 degree. Okay, DCO is also how much? 55 degree. Next, OAB, this angle I have to find. So they given that triangle, given that triangle ODC similar to triangle OBA. ODC is similar to triangle OBA. ODC similar to OBA. So means angle C must be equal to angle A. Am I right? This implies corresponding angles must be equal. This implies OAB. Angle OAB is equals to angle this angle, that is DCO. So because corresponding angles are equal. So DCO already I got, it is how much? 55 degree. So therefore OAB is also 55 degree. Okay. And this one. Next, third one. Diagonals AC and BD of trapezium ABCD with AB parallel to CD intersect each other at the point O. Diagonals are intersect each other at the point O using similarity criterion. By using similarity criterion, it may be AAA or SSS or SAS or AA similarity criterion. We have to show that AO by OC is equal to OB by OD. So let us take first a trapezium in which AB is parallel to CD. They said it. So AB is parallel to CD. ABCD. Diagonals AC and BD intersect with each other at the point O. So diagonals intersect with each other at the point O. Now here next. What we have to prove? AO divided by OC is equal to OB divided by OD. So means these two triangles I have to see for AOB and DOC. Okay, these are the sides. So for these sides I have to take these two triangles. Since AB is parallel to DC, can I take these two angles are equal? Not this. Because alternate interior angles. Similarly here. So these two angles are equal. Now, can I take these two as equal? This. Otherwise, by AA similarity criterion, you can say these two triangles are similar. I don't want to take this. Now, what I will write first? Since AB parallel to CD, they given here angle OAB equal to angle OAB is equal to OCD, and another one. What is that? ODC is equals to OBA or ABO. So because alternate angles, these are alternate interior angles. Alternate interior angles are equal. Alternate interior angles. Okay, that's enough. Next, by AA, I can write it as what? These two triangles are similar. Otherwise, you can take another angle also. So this angle AOB is equal to DOC by vertically opposite angles. That also I'll write. Angle AOB is equal to angle DOC. That is vertically opposite angles. Now, by using what condition? By using AAA similarity criterion, these two triangles are similar. Triangle AOB similar to triangle for angle A, which is that for angle A, that is C, then O only, CO. For the angle B, it is D. Okay, because AAA similarity criterion. Okay, AA similarity criterion. If two triangles are similar, then their corresponding sides are in the same ratio. Means AO divided by CO. AO divided by CO is equal to OB divided by OD. OB divided by OD. And also AB divided by CD also I can write. AB divided by CD. Okay. So because corresponding sides of similar triangles. Corresponding sides of similar triangles. Okay. So we have to give the reason also. That is very important. Without writing reason, we cannot solve it.